The following program is intended for informational purposes only, and not as a standalone training tool. Please refer to the Flexco website and other Flexco literature for detailed instructions. Prior to any work on your conveyors, make certain that the power has been turned off and the belt is locked out. Follow other safety precautions outlined in the operator's manual. And be certain to wear all recommended safety equipment prior to engaging in any belt maintenance procedure. Before using the LS HD Pul Heavy Duty Belt Clamps, make sure you have the tools needed. Be sure to use 2 chain come-alongs with safety overload handles. Each come-along shall not exceed 1 1/2 ton or 1.35 metric ton capacity. Before each use, inspect all components for visible wear or damage. To avoid injury, do not use clamps if there are worn or damaged components. Do not tie off scissors at an angle. Do not hammer on scissors. Do not use a single tension device. Place upper and lower clamp bars on belt. Engage alignment pins in alignment slots. Mount clamp scissors on each end of clamp bar and slide against edge of belt. The LS HD clamp bars will accommodate a variety of belt widths. Securely attach hooks on come-along chain to shackles on scissors. Evenly apply tension to pull belt to desired position. Warning: never exceed 3 tons or 2.7 metric tons capacity. Once work is complete, evenly release tension on come-alongs and remove LS HD clamp bars and scissors from belt.